Aspire Cigs is coming at you with exactly what we expect from their innovative team. The Aspire Revvo Sub-Ohm Tank is here to rev up your vape game. Let's tell you about the things Aspire brings you. First, they changed the way we think about coils. With a stovetop design, the Aspire Radial Coil, or ARC, your e-liquid will spread evenly and more efficiently for you to get the most flavor and the thickest of all the clouds when you rev up the Revvo. Get it? The Nah? Okay. Sad face emoji. The Revvo gives you top airflow in a 2 ml tank for your vaping pleasure, but aside from the game-changing coils, how about the fact you don't, I repeat, do not have to take off the top cap to fill the Revvo? I know, right? Just take your bottle or dropper down the middle of the drip tip, press slightly, and fill. It's just that easy, yo. Get your Revvo Tank at VapeWild today.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Check out our other videos here, and don't forget to subscribe.